well, cute, right? Snack time, rainbow kebabs. The Kebabs family. So let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is it says wash it. Then get whatever like you're cooking. They use for marshmallows or some chopsticks. So let's use a kebab skewer. And so wash the fruit, cut them up. So then you're going to want to put in the order of a rainbow, because this is for my rainbow little thing. One a very colored fruit, but you know, 2 blueberries because they're so small. There we go, there's one. So first you're starting with red, and that's going to be with a strawberry. Then next you're going to be one doing melon. Got some melon for orange. You can also use the orange because it's orange. But we love melon. Oh. Now we're gonna add. You can do pineapple. Actually, Mom made a mistake. Not doing the pineapple. She got a banana. So the next one I'm gonna do a pineapple. But we can use the banana right now. Then what you're gonna use green. So that's one grape. We want to make sure you don't cut the finger. Oh, I feel it. Now it's put to the other side, like that. Now we're going to add 2 blueberries because they're so small. It's going to be blue next. Oh no. Oh no. There we go. 2 blueberries. Smash them together. Then 1 blackberry. There we go. Oh no. Blackberries are very messy. They dye your hands. Thank you for watching. Bye. Happy Rainbow Day. That's yummy. Rainbows are the best.